The tasks shown on the screen are what we'll be using in the next steps. You need to disconnect the cable between the motor and the controller first. Now you can loosen the anti-rotation flange nuts on both sides of the motor with a 5mm sliding hex wrench. After loosening the nuts, you can easily remove the entire rear wheel assembly. Align the rear wheel axle with the derailleur hanger on the frame. Lightly tighten the anti-rotation flange nuts on both sides. Then use a torque wrench to securely tighten them to 11 Newton meters. At this point, reconnect the cable between the motor and the controller, and place the cable into the cable guide on the chainstay.